Hi everyone, I'm Elena and welcome back to this month's exclusive AI marketing tips and tricks brought to you by Advertising is Simple. Today we're taking a look at Meta's SAM3, which is a segment anything model, a powerful new tool that makes editing images and videos fast, accurate, and incredibly simple. So let me show you how it works. Meta's SAM3 can instantly identify and separate any object in a photo or video. This lets you clean up images, remove backgrounds, fix distractions, highlight products, and create professional content in just a few clicks. Let's do an example. You can either upload your own image or you can pick from the sample images. Let's choose a sample image for this example. Then I'm going to type or hover over the objects I want to work with. In this case, I can type zebra and it instantly outlines them. Or I can click the elephant I want outlined. Next, I'm going to choose an effect I can put on each of the outlined objects. Now let's do a video example. Let's browse their video samples and choose one to work with. Then I am going to type or hover over the objects I want to work with. In this case, I can type person and it instantly outlines them throughout the entire video. Then I'm going to choose an effect I can put on each of the outline objects. Once you're happy with how the video looks, you can download it or share it. This is a great tool for small businesses to produce high-quality visuals for ads, websites, and social media without expensive editing software. And that's a wrap on introducing you to Meta's SAM3. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for Advertising is Simple's next month's video on exclusive AI marketing tips and tricks.